Hey, I'm Mike. I live in Florida. I'm 71. And if you're losing sleep over worrying about bills or money, trust me, I know that feeling. I have been there so many times in my life that it's just insane to even think about it. When you're 71, getting a good night's sleep's tough enough. But when you have worries about bills or buying groceries or putting gas in your vehicles or paying the energy bills, it can really complicate getting enough sleep as it is. Don't do that. We have roughly 5 months left of 2024, and I can help you. I might be able to show you how to get as much as a six-figure income by the end of 2024, which is roughly 5 months. So don't wait. Put yes in the comments right now. Let me send you the information and get started. Let's see what you can accomplish by the end of 2024. A six-figure income would help you out, wouldn't it? I know it sure as heck will me. Put yes in the comments right now.